My name is Chris with Headlight Revolution. Behind me I've got a 2012 GMC Sierra, and we have been doing a ton of testing when it comes to the fog lights on these trucks, trying to find something that puts the light where it needs to be on the road and still increases the brightness enough to make it worth doing. We finally found the best option possible. I'm going to show you how to install it, what it looks like against the wall, and how it compares to the stock bulb. So let's get started. So I'm putting this truck up in the air for you guys so that you can see a little bit better what we got going on under here. You definitely don't need to put it in the air to work on it. In fact, you could lay on a piece of cardboard or a piece of carpet or something like that, reach up here and do all of this in about 30 seconds. Basically, all you need to do here is reach up underneath your bumper and disconnect your factory wiring connector. Set it off to the side for now, and there are tabs on the top and bottom of the original light. If you squeeze them and pull out on it, it'll pop right out like so, and you'll be able to set it off to the side and get your new Ultra Series bulb from GTR Lighting installed. Now this has those same tabs top and bottom. You're going to want to check the alignment and make sure that it fits in the same exact way that the old one came out. It fits in there really well. You don't need to go too crazy pushing it in there. You should hear a nice audible click when you get it installed. Connect it to your factory wiring, and I'm going to zip tie this up to like the crash bar here. Just keep it out of the way. Keep any road stuff from hitting it, any dirt or anything like that. The higher the better. Let's see what this looks like against the wall. So here we've got the stock footage. We've got what this thing looked like when it first came in. It's not very impressive by any means. We've got a typical fog light here. The beam is low to the ground. It's going to show you any sticks, any rocks, anything like that. Let's see what the GTR lighting stuff looks like. Let's see what that bulb provides us in terms of beam pattern and also brightness. So as you can see here, we've actually gained a little bit of height with our beam here. We might even adjust them down. It really depends on where you want the light to end up on the road. But this is a tremendous increase in light output. The stock bulbs did about 200 lux on the wall. Now lux is your usable light output, not to be confused with lumens. The new bulbs did 590 lux, so we well over doubled our light output. We gained the nice white crisp color, and ultimately we're going to see better driving down the road, and that's really why we're here. As you can clearly see on the wall, the GTR Lighting Ultra Series fog light bulbs in this particular truck are unbelievable. You've got a tremendous amount of light down low right where you want it. We actually increased the width a little bit, so you're going to see a little bit further down the road than you would with those stock bulbs. And I mean, the white color, it's going to match the headlights that you already bought from us. And if you didn't, visit us at our website, www.headlightrevolution.com. Thank you for watching.